Okay, abusuafo me church obi biara at the bar Savior TV so. We how to make money on YouTube. Part 1. I quite remember say last year me video bisa, but unfortunately say channel na made this video ni too no. Sa channel na could do different management and something sa video no any YouTube I decided to make a new one. The abre me nuanu mo a mo ye content creators or Ghana ha. Wa we YouTube videos and I say bia we videos or social media and found say we use mobile phone and as a camera and I said then I would try video and found you have to make money out of what you are doing. Yeah, so maybe we hear funny videos. They said yeah, we hear TV series, we hear movies, we hear vlogs and music videos. Just a BBR a video, even program if it's not video and it's just normal audio. With the picture to with the picture to I upload to YouTube. You're supposed to get paid. And net me by bachelor kwanya obefaso and I said she share wo YouTube ho a was a faso na also to me the nyesika. Me video we pay attention to the video. Pay attention to this video. Say enkoba nse mewie na fe na ebia obesa fafo afre me say minye ni se da bi patch share video no. Share video no. Okay. For the first, obi anim say YouTube there Google for platform. The moment I war Gmail no, Gmail account na o download wo ade wo phone so a wo bo e share Play Store and Sanawa download which is Gmail account. Excuse me. With Gmail account na like would you log in your phone to register your phone to do your everything and one area YouTube no. So we catch us say YouTube etua kano ye was style there the year and I say bia say obi catch us say or person or YouTube mount na YouTube photo ya ka oboa there is nothing like that azan ni pani down. There is no way ya YouTube will procedure bia ye no special ye di tua ka no ni nyina ye kwa ba ko pena you log in with your Gmail na wa create channel na wa start upload videos that's all na futu amedin ka atu wa wo pese wo ye YouTube ni say YouTube ni nya ade a ye kan say like enti say adwuma bi a odi to na wa kwakoye ne wo pe bia na time a wo pe no na wa upload video back bi no enti sa YouTube ntisa a full-time job. YouTube is a full-time job. So we need timer want to mean YouTube. So we need timer want to mean YouTube. Because they don't have the time, but they have employed people. Create YouTube channel to create content for them. So YouTube has become like somebody TV station. We to be a YouTube no I say TV station. Ono a wonye dwuma wonye ho hwe na obi na hwe so ma no. They upload videos no will make sika. And it's a very huge business people will never tell you. Aya de bia meka masem we say we are say say ye nyina ye kula dwen baako na ma ye hu say okay me nwonko da ene me da anka wi ase anka nya ni say ye bre ni ye di yensa etren ye mpeni so because Ghana ni bibi ni adwuma o ya onye bibi di no on kire wo no aba beye on kire Ghana ni bie ni ho a fiti say me wura YouTube which is 2 years now no Ghana ni bie ni ho a mehu say wa ba YouTube so aba be kire kwan a wo be fa so am make sika na say kwan a wo be fa so ama YouTube atua wo ka say ye be ka no kra kire no so aye bi Ghana ni bie ni ho a mehu say wa ye sa de no it say adwin we wo ye trim na say edit o man mu na ye bremu o man pani ni man pani for say omun create job what are you doing to help your brother? Pay attention to the video. Say oba YouTuber oba YouTube say na wa call sign in we call sign in na wa ba Gmail na o pese o bo no yeah Okay, good. You know, say I must sign in any to no profile in and I have saying. So no back profile so. Now I call your channel. So only channel, that's a would your channel no so. The best was a create channel. I think I over by then over put a channel. So by the sense I'm more channel no. And they be that no. It's any channel in channel in to know. My main trouble, baby, I will be some monetization no aso. To know can say ya. Now I call YouTube Studio. Good. To buy YouTube Studio now, any monetization any. Now I click monetization so. Okay, we click monetization so. This is what I'm talking about. This is the watch hour. We know that I'm up 4,000 watch hour no. And now we see your subscribers. These are the things you need to qualify for monetization. Oh, YouTube. You know, we bet to me I'm mark is out to where then you leave it. Say time no soon and I say be like when so pepe na why then o ma send no email say okay o channel no do monetization you know we bet me apply na wa baba apply wa ha you know me if I say we a new channel I me create purposely for this video to show you how it works you know which is 1,000 watch hour 1,000 subscribers and a from 1k subscribers in any 3 pen amenya you know I have 997 more to go and I will see a watch hour require watch hour no na 4,000 no you know watch hour no my spending chiro e bia o video o channel no mo na video ni ye fan say 1 hour video ye fan say 1 hour video a sa 1 hour video no wo nipa 4k e hwe sa video na is a why hit target no. So what I say. So it's simple like that. It you know, who person who upload video so and one say when you be YouTube na work we know create. Who call create na upload video. Who create who me no so na wa ba. Onye me we super. E baby you folders amount. The baby you videos no wa who person who upload no. Na wa then. Na wa upload. It's very very simple. Just like that. You know, when I upload video new year and one no the here say nkofo be hwe video no and I made kan no say upload videos na all the time we upload videos back I say YouTube no a platform it is say ne wato mobile phone na we di chip full flash nobody knows that number obi anim sa number no nti na say wa na we then we distribute number no di man nkofo so me number nie nti gene afa frame me number nie would you before oh me number nie ma me mongu so ma and as obi bisa wo say o number when here no wa ba ma no sa na YouTube tie you know don't think say you just create the channel you upload video that's all no you have to distribute it like you have to make promotion and the promotion also no it's not say be akotua sika mba obi there be there is a way of paying that one but there's another ways of like doing it yourself. It depends on the kind of video you are doing. Say video I will you know. When say okay, video I be here is about cooking, how to cook. And I say how to make flour. How to make flour. So that's why I say video how to make flour. Who upload the video now. Make sure I say video no be distributed to people who are interested in like something like that. So what I say who are interested in it say who call contact if I say call WhatsApp mu ebia will be a decoration will be a design in this manner can say those people will be interested in your video. So what I say and then maybe if you do a video of like how to make a hair like how to send your botria send your bobo ni peti and that's a video so it's all about how who send your botria can who say and ma and a more interested in that video. So I just say, I don't know, baby a platform be a ma one make sure I said that video no be share ko una for man no be share ko but say me a be man name or WhatsApp contact so let's say be a content I will create how to make hair let's say we share that link and me be man say me ko here me because I'm for so be any so mama So what I say, you know, so we started uploading videos now. It took 1 year, every within a year, no, some videos now are uploading, you know, I was a hit target, no. YouTube, my watch hour, which is 4,000 watch hour, and 1K subscribers. By subscribers, and put the end here. And who here for now? But no so many other for a subscribers, no, the yenny, the end. Subscribers, no, the here. Say, oh, subscribe, more YouTube, no more share we, oh, subscribe me channel, no mammy, subscribe my man, if I so be any so. What you need is views. So the moment I upload videos, no, you find say views and watch our no any idea here on YouTube. It you know YouTube will be 1 year to get that 1K subscribers and then 4,000 watch hour. And then so 1 year no eso na sa wunya ya video bi a post bi a ebro 1 year no, they will redact the views out of the 4,000 watch hour no. It you know you find say yama 1 year self a pesa de no na would 1 week enya you are still qualified. And I said yes you per watch hour 4,000 and 1K subscribers. Maybe I will upload videos na why your promotion na say be na ya wa hit 4,000 watch hour and 1K subscribers now they will start paying you. That's how YouTube works. So don't listen to anybody or back at all say oh my menya the same now you ntia waka there be mfaso bi ani so share video we and then YouTube is a huge platform. Like people are really making money. A lot of bloggers, a lot of content creators, they are making money, but they will not tell you. Because yeah, so usuba make isika. And they be make an YouTube you blue media. And Ghana ye do yesen. And YouTube no so you blue media. And yeah, obi na ebie no yaka say o omo so no doors no do. Omo amugu YouTube no doors no do ntinu. Why wo ban like ye nya baby fan wo. No, it's not like that. There were billions of people on YouTube. And then there's no way I hear catch it say e kwan na si. E kwan wo homa se Ghana fo nyina se from akwala ya wo ne. Akwala ya wo ne nge enne eni panimu a wo twa to o Ghana ha. You create YouTube, but still YouTube will pay everybody. That's how it works. You know, we soon your Juma will be back so may you ready. You just have to follow their guidelines and policy. That's all. You want maybe near maybe or any answer way, near also way. And also no that for no so your whole topic I made back. It for now. What create at then what post 2 videos, who post 2 videos, maybe within a month, 2 months, videos no share a call like who channel no running fast. When you hit 4,000 watch hour, there is a way you bet you say okay, this is how it is. You know, so who reach 4,000 watch hour now, then you apply. Who apply for monetization then we have something called AdSense account, AdSense. And so your Gmail now and I would be creating. And so it is we create YouTube no, but no is not a video platform. And no yeah baby YouTube betu sika na kogu. Na say AdSense no so no. Ahonso na audio bank account beto. It's on YouTube to sika no kogu AdSense na AdSense for their two bank account so. That's how it works. And you know boso me nso my encourage na say oh try answer there be. It's not work like it doesn't work like that. The moment time no person was say twa ka no bank alert na wenya and there were kind of banks was here international banks bank could use to say via local banks no there be there are like a lot of banks are here international we are now finding out the banks are like a international banks they say Barclays UBA Standard Chartered Bank or something like that. Yeah. And a lot of banks are international banks. Just find out say bank a international bank answer. And we create AdSense account no so then also no we creating as we starting making sika with YouTube now. YouTube be sika no e dey go AdSense no mo every month there. But sika we be make you know say you do $100 then you apply for PIN. PIN now omo be send you from omo office to Ghana ha. Our post box mo obetimi aji obi post box e de aye emfa ho ba make sure say enye bibi te say akra ha enye sasa koye te say bia ekire aya na pin ni bedu akra ha aya na eche kakra nsa na bia aba say Kumasi o say takrado aya eche nti no say unyo bi akra ha na we so ni post box e de ya eno no ya e kontam nti no so sika no do $100 e kwa after so sika na hit $100 and then you apply for the pin and it take like 2 to 3 weeks and sanaba but once akwakoya Africa na COVID-19 no hu samsam nti no sometimes I check akra sometimes you have to reapply for like 2 or 3 times before ansana wonsaka and as a do also na so we na wonsanka so there is another method I am manual method I obetimi a follow e I be hu hia say ombesa ni pin ni bio and the still pin they sent it they do send it I mean they do send it yeah brofo ni de ya na enye nti mpese me ka ne twi mu say na me nua ga na ni a wo hwe me no wo beti ase because mo amuti brofo ni de bebri na brofo na ye how to make money on YouTube or my yes videos we in English ye nuanum bebri na amuti brofo no mu then follow up but wow say bi wonti brofo ti say me de na wo de etwi nko a de still I also bit make sika YouTube doesn't count say bia wo akọ school na onko school no and as a video away no kasa be na wo kan video no ebetima ya kasa bia ope bia opa tenase na twa na fa camera so and as try video na ka ba ntum say na upload YouTube bet you they will pay you it's in the menu where who how on Instagram ni other pages for money how to Facebook ni san name nyina fa to answer na focus on YouTube make money on YouTube so who apply na pin ba then you put on your bank account your bank details on the AdSense account then after so we can make $100 now pin ya ba na wa bo ahye ho no then from there go the money goes straight to your bank account. That's all. Period. You know, more questions. Be an munchro comment na say. Munchro comment na say pamucho. This time me family no man to because yanko for frame me hamidodo. Say me family no man to you know. Wa wo bibia o pese obisa no. Chro comment na say. Chro me or comment na say. And I said yeah, that's the only way. Chro comment na say. And I said me the number back could be better. But no back we be to enu de yen frɛ ebia wo hia mo ebia na se bia bibisa na and de na bia wa WhatsApp me afasa na ma no so ba yen frɛ mesrɛ me ntumi nya da agyan biom ensa nkyerɛ wo bibia biom wo phone so enu ana ma yɛden ma ka ne nyina wa ha no tin mesrɛ hwɛ video no na wani gye ho sɛ wo pɛ sɛ wo make sika wo YouTube then watch this video me da say